Oh, check, check. All right. Let's have a look over here, you guys. Let's see what's up over here. Dilawar, what up, my man? What up? Sorry, guys. I know it's annoying when people do this shit, but let me just make sure everything's working over here. Did we see more of your trade on YouTube? Good? That's good, bro. Yeah, you do, brother. You do, 100%. You see the whole screen over here on YouTube. Daniel Holmes Live, YouTube right now. Mike, what up, what up? Raphael, what up, what up? Sorry, you guys, let me do a real quick scan through here. Just make sure everything's all good. All right. Cool as you guys. I'm going to do a quick bit of analysis here on gold. The time is money, absolutely. I'm fired up to be here on the charts. What up, Graffiti? But I'm also aware of how fired up, because I've got myself into trouble by coming onto the charts on a Monday too eager. So I'm going to do a little bit of analysis over here. Today 1.1k. Yeah, I'm in a solid trade here right now on a 50k account, you guys, as well. It's up 1,500. But don't worry about that just yet. Let's Zidane, what up? What up? Laser, what up? No, not on gold, but I'm gonna hopefully get something over here. So the daily, we're still stuck in this range over here on the daily. The 4 hour is Chappie, what up? What up? Good to see ya. Good to see ya. Wouldn't wanna be ya. No, I would want to be you actually, I think. All right, the 4 hours pushing up. Let's see. I'm gonna move some just. So as I'm dropping down the time frames, just start adjusting the support and resistance zones, right? The 1 hour, cool. You can see this is probably the closest one. 30 minute. And the 15 over here. I'm grinding to 2k or higher. Yeah, nice. Nice. So look at this. Yeah, we did have a pre-London push up over here, I guess. Today on Bitcoin. I'm staying away from Bitcoin. To be honest, I got burnt by Bitcoin a little bit on the weekend. I tried to have a little weekend dabble. And it burnt me a little bit. So I'm like, just fucking... Daniel, stick to what you know. Don't you trying to dabble in Bitcoin. Let's have a real quick look. Yeah, whatever. Anyway, back to gold. So we're pushing up here. What's this range? What's this range? From here to here. Oh shit, this range is quite big. So I'm going to move to this to here. Move this to here. La Racine, what up, what up? Good to have you here. Good morning to you. Good afternoon to me. Weekends are the worst to trade Bitcoin. Yeah, I know, it's terrible, bro. I was just being a degen, I guess. Yeah, I was being a bit of a degenerate because I caught a decent Bitcoin win on Friday, and then I just gave it back on the weekend, so whatever. All right, so we're 5 minutes into the London session over here. I don't have a support zone just yet. It's too far away. I have a resistance zone. I have a resistance zone here. And I can see to the left, it burnt you crazy on... Oh, last month gold burnt you? Yeah, I think this month has been difficult for all types of traders. It's 6 p.m. where I am. So let me just... Sorry, bear with me here for a second, you guys. Still doing a bit of an analysis here. Check. Bruh, is there an echo or am I tripping? Alright, so let's have a look. I need this candle to print red. Infinite Soul, what up? OMC, what up? What time? Alpha Tech, good to see you back. Oh, you want to sell? No, I'm just waiting over here. So I'm just marking up some zones of interest. As I can see right now, this is my only zone of interest, but I still need this candle to print red. Until I get a red candle printed, not just open, I can't do a whole bunch, you guys. So as of now, I'm going to... I'm not going to do much. I'm just going to have a line here for now and just see how things print over the next couple or essentially this candle. I need to see how this candle prints to get an opportunity here on gold. Let me do another real quick flick through these time frames. So the 4 hour pushed heavy, didn't create a bottom wick. It's still open for 2 hours. The 1 hour candle bodies are getting bigger. It looks like there's a lot of bullish momentum. The 30-minute, same story. The candle bodies look big and strong. Yeah, it looks like I could see this just continuing to push up for a bit over here, you guys, to be honest. So what I might be looking at in that case then is for this candle to print red. And then buys above. So I'm looking to go with the trend here, you guys. I'm not looking at this and going, it's moved up quite a little bit. Let me see if I can catch on the way down. I think it's moving up quite strongly over here. So I want to try and be with that. Be one with the market. Yeah, I wasn't able to, I flew away to a different state on Thursday. I missed 2 days of streaming, bro. It fucking killed me. I really didn't like it, but I had no choice, unfortunately. Corsicus, I'm amazing. Trading price action, absolutely, brother. No indicators, just keep it clean. Just price action over here. Do what you do. What up? GG, excited? Yeah, excited. So here's the thing, you guys. I don't know about you, but when I come into the markets on a Monday, I'm like hyped. You know, I want to kind of get after it. But just be careful with that eagerness. That eagerness on a Monday has got me into trouble in the past. So I have to come into a Monday going, you know what, if a clean trade doesn't present itself, it's okay not to trade today. Because I just know from experience, I've burnt myself by having been too eager to get something in on a Monday. You know, I've been waiting all weekend type shit. Thank you, Jimmy. I appreciate that, brother. Good to have you here. Wow, you guys are going wild on the follows there. Thank you. Yeah, it's had 180 pip move, but to be honest, a lot of the time, you know, I would be thinking, you know, it's had 150 pip move, maybe it needs a pullback. But on the higher time frames, the candle bodies are getting bigger progressively. Like it's showing no signs that it needs a pullback just yet, to be honest. I've seen gold do this a lot, where it'll just keep fucking going. Garth, I'm amazing, brother. Hope you're doing well. So I got 6 minutes here for this candle to close. Ali, what up? 6 minutes for this candle to close, 5.5, and see if it can stay red like this. And I'm not going to lie, I might even take an impulse buy because there's a lot of momentum here. I'll leave this word here, closure, means I'm waiting for a candle to push up and close above that range. But I won't be surprised if we don't get that. I won't be surprised if it keeps moving, so I'm going to be prepared to potentially take an impulse buy to go with the trend here. What does first and second mean? What do you mean by that, bro? What do you mean by that? So I'm just bringing up this drawing tool. I'm bringing up this drawing tool over here. Ren, missed yous as well. Yeah, it was unfortunate. I wasn't able to get a couple of streams in there on Thursday and Friday just because I had to fly away. I think it will go into consolidation and go higher. Yeah, hopefully. But essentially, to be honest with you guys, let me draw this up. If this candle closes exactly how it is here, let me have a look here. It broke past this closest range of support here. So realistically, because this candle's still open, this was the closest range of support. It broke past that, and now it's created a bit of support there. I would be very willing, if the next candle opens up, pushes down like that, and starts to push, I'll be very willing to take an impulse buy at the break of that previous candle to move up with this. Because I'm telling you, on these other time frames, there's no indication of this slowing down. The candle bodies are getting progressively bigger. It's a high volume time, London Open, and I'm prepared to go with the flow here. I'm definitely prepared to go with it over here. This is called TradingView, but I'll be executing my trades with Maven. I'm using my 50K account with a funded company called Maven. The owner actually reached out to me and said, hey bro, do you want to test out my prop firm essentially? And it's actually fucking amazing. Amazing in the sense that like I can leverage what I want. There's no like trailing drawdown and things like that. It's actually really good. Oh, you're with Maven too? Okay, amazing. Yeah, look at this. This is Maven over here. This is their... you guys on TikTok won't be able to see, but I'm in an actual decent trade right now. I'm up 1,300 over here. If I'm on YouTube live as well, you guys, so you can see the whole screen, but Daniel Holmes Trades live on YouTube right now. But yeah, I'll be executing my position here with Maven on a 50K account. So yeah, I'm liking what I'm seeing here, you guys. No, I'm not going to lie. I'm liking what I'm seeing here. 2 minutes for this candle to close. If the next candle can wick a little bit and start to push, I'll take an impulse buy there to go with the volume that I'm seeing right now. Had my first payout yesterday. On the, oh, okay, sick. Is Maven good? Honestly, they fucking are. They are. So the owner reached out to me. I'm like, I don't know how I feel about this. Like, but I can't complain at all. And I've been with a lot of prop firms. I'll tell you, like, I'll be straight up. There's prop firms like the one that I'm funded with right now, Top Trader One. They're shit, bro. They suck. Honestly, there's so many restrictions to stack the odds against you. But yeah, Maven's been amazing. How much you buying? How much you buying, bro? That's the other thing. I need to figure out what lot size I'm going to use here if I do take a buy here on a 50K account. I don't know on gold. I think like a 1 maybe. Can I actually test that? New order. Pending order. I don't know. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Yeah, you guys, I'm on YouTube right now. The TikTok screen's quite small here. Daniel Holmes Trades on YouTube. If you want to see like the full screen, you can see shit way better, man. I'm all the way up. Damn, nearly 63 follows over here straight away. Shit's popping off. Yeah, nice dipping. Just learning on demo. Good stuff, bro. Good discipline. Keep going like that. Okay, this is perfect for me. Let's just see how it pans out. A lot can happen in the last 10 seconds over here. Thanks, going to the YouTube. Amazing. Yeah, let me know if you jump over to the YouTube. Drop a comment over there. Daniel Holmes Trades. I'm not too mad at this. I would have liked a bit of a smaller body, but I'll still look at an impulse buy over here, to be honest, you guys. I'm on their two-step HK. I'm on their two-step. How long do you think I should go on demo? Until you just feel really comfortable with your strategy. Until you really know your strategy, and then flip over, buy a real cheap prop firm account, I reckon. How much you made today? Well, on my challenge, I'm on a 50k challenge account right now. I'm up 1,500 floating profits. I'm gonna hold that one. My stops are at break even. I don't even care if it goes back to break even. It's gonna be like more of a swing trade, to be honest. I've blown many prop accounts, right? Many, and I've started to trade them a bit differently now. Like I'll trade them a little bit more aggressively, and I'll hold my winners longer and things like that. So. Looking for my first prop firm. What do you recommend? Yeah, I'd say Maven. Name drop me. He'll hook you up a discount 100%. I swear to God, he will. He'll tell you to join the Discord because it's an individual. If you were to join the Discord, say Daniel Holmes sent me, guarantee he'll hook you up. What trade platform this is? This is TradingView, but I'll be executing my trade on Maven. It's a funded account. Bruh, the follows are going up, but the likes are going down over here on TikTok. All right, so I'm going to put a pending order in here, you guys. And again, I don't jump on these stream for people to be like, do the same trade as me. I don't suggest that at all, but I'm just doing what I would do. And if you decide to do it as well, then that's on you. Buy stop. All right, I got a buy stop there. Let me see what it would be with my stop loss. Okay, yeah, I'm happy with that. Yep. I'm risking 0.60%. I'm going to put my stop below the current candle wick. Hopefully it doesn't push that wick down any further. And I'll put my take profit, whatever, up here. I'll start to manage it as I'm in profits type shit. So I've got a, and I need this to flip now. I would need this candle to flip, not now, sorry. I mean, I need it to flip, within while this 15's still open. If this decides to keep pushing down, there's potentially another opportunity if the next one breaks back up into the range, but I'll wait and see. What up, Chris? Thank you for the gifts over there, brother. Can you zoom out? No, but if you jump on YouTube, I'm on YouTube live right now, Daniel Holmes Trades, you can see the whole screen. You can see the whole screen. You're here now, I can start. Chris, was that you on Sunday? Is that you on Sunday that were on the webinar there, Chris? Did you pass your funded? Yeah, I passed my previous one. I'm in a 50k new one over here. Who is the best trader in Australia to learn? Daniel Holmes. No, it depends what your method is. Depends how you like to trade. If you like lower time frames, I would suggest you check out Aaron Trades. If you want an Australian trader but more lower time frames, I would 100% say Aaron Trades. Really good. He's not an ICT guy, but he does like liquidity and stuff like that. Really good stuff over there. But if you like 15-minute time frame upwards, Daniel Holmes. Got a Discord in my bio, free education over there, brother. Yeah, I just wanted to check that, Chris. Nice, brother, nice. What do you aim for monthly on your... I don't have a target, brother. I just keep chipping away. So you guys, again, I'm on YouTube right now, Daniel Holmes Trades. You can see the full screen because I know TikTok's pretty restricted. Damn, bro, one of my trades right here is up. TikTok you can't see, but YouTube can. It's up 1,600 over here. It's just flying. So I've still got hope here if this can flip. Actually, I shouldn't say the word hope. Hope is terrible for trading. Are you in a trade already? Yeah, but it's not. I haven't done it on the stream just yet. I've got a buy stop just above here. Let me put something. I've got a buy stop right here. Yo. But it's obviously not activated yet. Wow, nearly 100 follows here on TikTok. Amazing. Thank you for the follows there, you guys. Gang. Gangland. What's your target for CPI? Bro, what do you mean? I don't trade news. I don't even care about news. I only trade London, bro. On the 15 minute, there's an FVG. Yeah, I personally don't pay attention to that kind of stuff, brother. I do not pay attention. So as you guys can see here, I've got a buy stop just here. So my whole thesis for this is, if you skip through the time frames, you guys, I pay attention to candle bodies a lot, right? And I can see it's a high volume time. The candle bodies on the 1 hour progressively getting bigger, 30 minute progressively getting bigger, and the 15 progressively getting bigger. Like, everything to me is indicating the market's moving up. I don't need to overthink it. I just need to go, okay, I need to see a certain thing, and then I want to move with the market. I seen a red candle get printed outside of this little support zone here. It broke out and created a bit of support. I know just from experience with my price action strategy that once we get that, the next candle, if it can push up past, it'll typically keep going. So that's why I got a buy stop there. But alternatively, an even better scenario is this: if this stays exactly how it is for the next 7 minutes, and this 30-minute prints like this with a small body, it's got a tail, and outside of that breakout range, that's a 30-minute I'm on right now, I'll keep my buy stop there, and this is even better. Even better. So let's just see how this pans out over here. I just placed another buy. Oh, okay. Hey, you guys on TikTok, if you want to learn, if you want some free education as well, I've got a Discord in my bio over there. We just try and drop brainstorm and just get better in there as much as possible as well. There's a Discord in my TikTok bio. Major resistance? I wouldn't say major, but you know, if it can break past here, I feel like going with momentum, this could be pretty juicy. Yeah, that's interesting, Graffiti. I like to refresh I'll take away all my lines and all my drawings and shit every session. Like, obviously, whatever works for you, but yeah. My Phantom wallet declining transaction using ETH. Any suggestions? Any crypto cats in the chat can answer that, because I'm not a crypto cat. Do you trust the RSI strategy? No, I don't use any indicators. Just pure candle action, candle price action, with a bit of an understanding of the fundamentals. But that's about it. Are you selling or buying? I've got a buy stop here. If this candle pushes up past it, my buy stop will be activated. Yeah, gold barely moved the last 2 weeks. We're just stuck in the mud over here. So I'm going to give this another minute and a half to push up. And if it doesn't, like I said, if this 30-minute can close within this yellow box that I've got drawn here, I've got the same thesis for a buy stop, except just going off the 30 instead of the 15. What's a buy stop, mate? It essentially just means if this candle pushes up past that limit, I'll be triggered into a buy position. I'll be in a trade. If this candle flips and pushes past here, I'll be boom. I'm in a trade now. Oh, 102 follows here on TikTok. Wow, that's quick. I've never had a thing that quick. Do you stream every day? Yeah, I do, bro. Unfortunately, I missed 2 days yesterday, but I couldn't help it, unfortunately. But yeah, every single day I'm on here, and I'm also live right now on YouTube. Daniel Holmes Trades on YouTube. And YouTube's got the full screen, because you know how TikTok's kind of like, it's, you know, a little fun, whatever. What's your type of strategy? Just price action, breakouts. Yep, just price action over here. No fancy candlestick indicators. Hey, you guys on TikTok, if you check the chat there, if you were to type that into YouTube, I'm live there right now as well, and you can see the full screen. You can see price points and everything. Where's your stop loss? I don't have an order in just yet. My stop loss was meant to be below the current candle wick, but so what I'm going to do here, you guys, check this out. I'm going to cancel this order right here, pending order, cancel. Why didn't it cancel? Let me refresh. And let me tell you what's up over here in a sec. All right, yeah, that got rid of it. So if we flip to the 30 minute, this candle's got 3.5 minutes left. I'm going to stick to the 30 minute over here now. If this candle can reject up and the 30 minute close within this line here, I'm going to put my buy stop back there. And if it can't do that, I've got options. I've got options like that song. Head and shoulders on the 1 minute, bro. I would not pay attention to the strength of a head and shoulders on a 1 minute time frame personally, but yeah. FEG, yeah, I don't know. So I'll stick to the 30 over here. Would like to see us reject. If not, like I said, I've got options. I've got some options. The 1 minute's okay, but you got to think about it like this. If you're looking at like the strength of a candle, like I trade, the lowest I'll go is the 15-minute candle, and a 15-minute candle isn't even a strong enough confirmation for me, let alone a 1 minute candle, right? So what you want to funded? No, I'm on a challenge account right here. So this is a 50K challenge account. Oh my God, this trade, I'm in a floating profits of 1,700 on a different trade right now. Just keeps going. What's the second line? The second line is just in accordance to this kind of prior support here. That's all. But I'm only putting that there because I'm just giving an outline of where I would like this candle body to close within, ideally. Have you passed the challenge? I passed, yeah. But not in this one. I want to have multiple accounts over here, right? So I'm kind of trading multiple. I have a funded one. I'm not trading the funded one. I'm waiting for the payout to come through, and then I'll keep trading the funded account. I'm in a short right now. Okay, fair enough. Do you stream every day? I do. Every day. Not potential double top. Maybe. I really don't want to go against this strong trend, to be honest. But I'm open to anything. I just got to wait and see over here. I failed 6 50 challenge accounts by FTMO, bro. Struggle is real. Any advice? Yes, my advice is don't get discouraged. I've probably blown at least 15, right? And the only advice is you just have to literally take the time to figure out why you're blowing them. I know why I was blowing them. I was blowing them because I'd get fed up, I'd get impatient, and then I'd just take I can't say the G word, but like casino. I'd treat it like a casino. I wasn't actually trading my strategy, and I wasn't taking it serious. And I just kept doing that, kept making the same mistakes. So you have to figure out what you're doing. You know what you're doing. Like, you know why you're blowing them. That's the thing as well, right? And Wayne, what up? Hey Dan, the man was challenged with the... Who was the challenge with? It's with Maven. Maven, they're really good. The owner reached out to me and gave me this account, said, hey man, test my shit out. And I can't lie, it's actually good. I'll be honest as well. The other ones I've done is they restrict your leverage, but this is really good. Do you trade every Monday or every day? Every day during the London session. So check this out, you guys. The 30 minute just closed, no bottom wick. Let me just remove this real quick. Now let me draw something up over here, you guys, what I might be interested in seeing. If this next candle can do something like, can close something like this, ready? Give me a bit of a wick, and the next one wick down, I might look at taking a buy about there, anticipating it to continue up, and if it breaks past here, I'll add to the position. So that's what, as candles keep printing, my brain just keeps going, okay, what can I do now that the situation has changed? The Sitchi's changed, you guys. Risk management is key. Yep, exactly. And that's why I kept blowing my, accounts, because I just go. But it's a fine line as well, because I've found to have success with passing challenges, you have to obviously, you kind of have to be a bit aggressive with it as well in the challenge phase. I don't know. It's a tricky one. There's an imbalance. Can you send me 20 Australian never seen your Monopoly money? Shane, what up, bruh? Yep, look at this. HK, don't give up, bro. I failed 14 before passing this 50k. There you go. Yep. E-Trade meme coins? No, not at all, brother. Bro, do Maven pay? Yeah. Oh, I don't know. Well, there's only one way to find out. But no, they do seem legit. There's a good community on our Discord and stuff for them. So I've seen no red flags so far, to be honest. And I would be honest. Like the people that I'm funded with, which is Top One Trader. I don't know about payouts. I'm still waiting for mine, but there's a lot of small details that they don't tell you about until you kind of fund it and shit like that. Thanks for the sim session. It was fire. Amazing, Wayne. Thank you for being there. I appreciate that, brother. Appreciate that, brother. Oh, HK over here has been paid by Maven so far. Awesome. What strategy? Just price action. No bottom wick, so potential bounce off that level? Yeah, maybe. Yep, that's why I'm looking at if this can print green, I might try and take a buy back up. What's the 1 hour looking like? So the 1 hour, but check this out in the 1 hour, these bodies are just getting bigger. They're barely leaving wicks, you guys. The 30 minutes probably telling the same story. Yep, this could just be a bit of 30-minute support. I'm going to put a new line down here. I might look at sells below here, potentially. I don't know, I don't really like it. I'm just going to take the text away for now, though. But yeah, I want to keep moving. Let's just see over here. How long you trade a day? Probably 2 hours, 2 and a bit hours over here. You guys, if you're not in the Discord, there's a Discord in my TikTok bio there. Join the Discord, free education, bunch of traders. We're killing the game, bro. Join the Discord, gang. On a Sunday, we'll get together and just crush it. On a Sunday, we'll jump on a webinar together and just pick a topic and just try and keep chipping away. It's looking like a strong sell. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see. Which program you use for stream like this? Portrait? On TikTok? Yeah, you just have to download TikTok Studios, I think. Oops. Yeah, maybe it, but the next 30 will be pushing out if it wants to print another bigger green on the 1 hour. Maybe. But it's not like we haven't seen that before. Like how many times have you just seen gold it just goes crazy. It just does its own thing. So maybe this could be a wick for the next candle. Who knows? We'll see. Top One Trader? Yeah, Top One Trader. It's heard it's a good time to trade silver? Maybe. I just stick to gold personally. Zeke, where do you start what, or are you just being Frog. What do you say when you mean a funded account? I mean an account that, so you can pay a fee to somebody that's going to fund you the $50,000 or $100,000 of their money to trade with, and the profits you make on that money is 80% of it's yours, and 20% goes to the funded company that are giving you the money, right? But it's very difficult to actually get funded because you have to prove that you have the ability to consistently, you know, look into it. I'd really just write into Google, what is funding? Like, start looking into it. It's kind of hard to explain. Yeah, exactly, Millen. It could be a good opportunity for buyers. So that's what I'm looking for. I'm hoping, okay, I've got to stop saying hope, but if this red candle right here could flip up and just turn into a wick, right? Check this out, you guys. In an ideal world, what I'm looking for is this. Is if this candle that's pushing down right now flips back up, leaves a wick and does something like that, small body. If the next candle wicks down, I'll take an impulse buy right there, anticipating it to continue up, and then I'll add to my position once it breaks past there, right? So my bias overall is still bullish, but I need more confirmation. And if this does close below, like where it is now, then I've got to start thinking, okay, let's start thinking of some different shit that could be setting up here now. That's all. That's all. Took a sell at the break of the 30. Oh, okay. You took a sell at the break. Caught 13. Yep. Nice. Nice. Caught 13 pips there. Fair enough. Good one, Laser. So what will make you sell? I need a green. So just say I said before that I need this candle to essentially flip green. If it does do that, and then the next candle flips red and breaks below like that, then my thesis will, my bias will change, and I'll be now looking for a sell. If the next candle were to wick up and push down, I'll be taking a sell about there. All right, but I need a green candle printed here for me to say, okay, support has been created, and then this candle right here broke below that support. Then I'll go, okay, my bias is starting to change now. Let me look for a sell about there. So let's see. Let's just see how these candle prints. This one's got 6 minutes over here. 2 hour looks to be at a level of support. Wow, I've never even really looked at the 2 hour candle. Interesting. What do you mean by adding to the position? I mean, while my position's still open, I'll add more size to it, right? So I essentially just add another buy position. I'm on the 30-minute chart. I tend to miss opportunities. Yeah, that's why, you know, ideally the 30-minute chart's going to give you a stronger confirmation, but realistically the 15 is going to give more opportunities. And if I can stack the 15-minute candle with other confluences, it's going to give me enough confidence to take a trade. Because I used to, obviously, yeah, I used to run into a similar issue there. Hey, you guys, I'm on YouTube right now. Daniel Holmes Trades on YouTube. UE, full screen type shit. Daniel Holmes Trades. None of this lame TikTok little screen. We're firing on all cylinders over there on YouTube. So you wait for a big red candle to finish 15. I don't know what you mean there. I'll show you. It's forming a reverse head and shoulders in the 1 minute. It's a prank. Yeah, it is a prank. It's all a prank over here. Because you got to ask yourself, these 1 hour candles were getting really big. Could this just be a wick for the next one? But anyone that's been here and has been patient enough to actually just hang out knows exactly what I'm looking for buys here. And we've got 4 minutes over here. Essentially, if this candle closes exactly how it is, I'm very interested in buys. I would need the next candle to I would need the next candle to wick down, just something like that. Flip, and I would take a buy about there. I'm interested in buys if that happens. You guys? Oh, look at this. I realize the 15-minute gives me much more confirmation than the 5-minute and made me more profitable. Exactly, bro. And this is very much how I trade. If you're, you guys, if you enjoy trading like from the 15-minute upwards, you don't focus on the 5-minute or the 1-minute, join my Discord. It's in my TikTok bio there. We run through the strategy and just keep sharpening the tools, because I don't look at the 5-minute or the 1-minute at all anymore. It fucks my yeah, it's not where it's at for me. And if you're similar to that, I think you'll get a lot out of it. And it's all I'm not charging you anything. I'm not trying to sell shit. But if you're just interested in getting better as a trader, I'd highly suggest join the Discord over there. Seek. What lot size would you recommend for a 2.5 funded account? Shit, I don't even know. And it depends what pair. Do you mean gold? I haven't traded a account. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, gold. I don't know about lot size, but just figure out the percentage. Try to just risk 1% a day. No more than 1% a day. No, let me get this. Let me take this text away for now. So this candle closed in 2 minutes. I need it to close green exactly how it is. Like this. The next candle wick down, push up, I take buy there. I take buy there. You flip down, push up, I take buy there. That's the plan. So, why can't I hear a little flipping thing? I take buy. Fuck me. Is it racist to do like an Asian accent? Because if an Asian person did an Australian accent, I wouldn't get offended. So these are the questions. These are the big questions out there in the world these days that need answering, I think. You should sell, brother. You should give me a hug. No, it's not. No, Asian do fun of other accents. Ah, so they're okay. It's complete right shoulder support if green 15. What up, No Cap? Good to see you, brother. No, it's not. I'm Asian, but feel honored to think of us. What do you mean, think of us? Of course, do you know what? Sometimes I feel like Asians don't think of me. I think they don't like. Do you ever feel like they just don't really kind of? I don't know. I feel like they don't really like me. Maybe it's all in my head. I got issues, to be honest, as well. So that could be a part of it. I'll stay out of this onion, hope it plays out. Oh, Bog, so what's got you wanting to stay out of this one? The thing that obviously isn't the best for me is that this previous candle was bigger than the, it didn't get progressively smaller there. We'll see. But yeah, fair enough. You do that too well. Trust me, a lot more people Asian accents than we think. Mohammed, what up? All right, check this out. All right, I'm going to use my brain over here. I don't like the size of this body that just closed. Oh, let me use my brain here. Guys, if the candle is green, buy. If the candle is red, sell. Thank me later. Morning, Dad. Thanks. Hey, Mikey. Thank you, brother. Let me do a quick scan through these time frames. It's not ideal that this candle closed doji. I wanted it to be like a bit bigger of a body, to be honest. The 4 hours got an hour and 15. The 1 hour looks like this. The 30-minute looks like this. All right. If this candle, here's what I'll do. If this candle can wick back down, test this wick one more time and then flip green, I'll take a buy. That's what's up. Yeah, fair enough, Bog. I say sell, Dan. Yeah, we'll see. So someone asked before, what's this line for? Now my thesis as well is if this can break below and close below, I'll be looking at a sell. But right now I'm still interested in a buy. I just need this candle. I need this to at least flip red again. I don't like that it didn't try to test again. Right? It just kind of wicked real quick and then flipped. It's like, I'm not comfortable with that. I want to see it really give it a stab. And we'll see. We'll see. Buy 5 lots, no risk, no Rari. Exactly. This trade that I'm in right now, it's up 1,750. That's 4 lots. I went pretty heavy on that one. I was pretty confident with it. I'm just holding it. My stops are at break even. I'll just walk away. Don't miss the boat. I'm on a boat. No, that's the wrong mindset to be like, don't miss the boat. That's where FOMO comes in and like you start making shitty decisions because you think it's going to go and you're like, I want to be a part of it. And it's like, that is what will get you burnt. That's FOMO to its most raw form. Thank you for the follows there on TikTok, gang. Why don't you take the profit? Because it's a funded account and I'm pretty confident in it. And I trade some of the funded accounts a little bit different, to be honest. It's more of a swing trade. And I'm happy to let it come back and stop me out at break even because I believe it has the potential to go further beyond than what it is. Travis Head style. What the flip does that mean, bruh? The market preys on the desperate. Yes, it does, kind sir. Yes, it does. Hey, you guys, I'm on YouTube right now. Daniel Holmes Trades on YouTube. It's way better. Put it this way. If you go onto the YouTube, you can see the full screen, and I'll call the liquidity providers to make the market hit your take profit. Are you using FTMO? No, I don't use FTMO anymore. They changed the regulations in Australia, so you can't leverage too much, and I'm just like, yeah, I'm out. It's better on YouTube. Exactly, Lewis. 100%. Way better. You guys in the TikTok chat there, if you type that into YouTube, it's that's the real shit over there. Break the neckline. You guys are, oh, you're still on the 1 minute. Yeah, I see what's up. Did you buy already? No, I need, if this candle can flip red and then flip green again, then I'll take a buy. But right now, I have to sit on my hands for a sec over here. What's the story with leverage? In terms of FTMO, oh, I just see a lot of people just jumped in over there on the YouTube stream there. Nice. It's just Australia has really strict regulations, right? And leverage is basically the amount that you can kind of place on a trade. You can kind of leverage more of what your actual account gives you the ability to. So not only can you gain more profits, but you can lose more quicker as well. And for whatever reason, yeah, FTMO, Australian regulations got on FTMO and they had to change it. Yeah, gold's been ranging really a lot. Why only 11k likes? I know, only 11k likes, but I've got more followers than I've ever had on a freaking TikTok stream. So it's like you have to give one or the other, unfortunately, in this cruel world. You guys, my last TikTok stream, I got 150,000 likes. Huh? What the fuck? That's so much money. Best funded challenges for Aussies, any of them. Any of them. It's like saying best chicks for Australians. They're all hot. Preferably, I'd prefer Colombians, but fucking, it's like you can. They're all for the taking if you play your cards right. So, yeah, Graffiti. When you said that after the stream, I remembered that. I remember that you said that, and I haven't checked. I think it's still there. Stats should still be there. fuck no. Sorry guys, one sec. I'm opening this shit up. I can see a view of the city out there. Yeah, my hair's chopped. All right, I might still be interested over here. Let's have a look. 30. 1 hour. Let's be patient. Can we see your view? No, it's going to be too much of a mission. I would really love to show you. It's a really fucking good view. I'd love to show you, but it's going to be too much of a mission. I'm getting a new camera soon though, but I'll be able to do it then. How old are you? Damn, this looks like it would have been all right. I'm 33. Going on something. Yeah, unfortunately, it just didn't give me enough. Like it gave me nearly enough to take this buy, but just not enough. A few of the important boxes weren't ticked just yet. Ended November with a negative 0.2 loss, 12 trades total. Bro, that's amazing discipline there to only take 12 trades, hoping for better results in December. Bog, do you know what was up with the losers and things like that? Do you know, were you executing your strategy, or did the losses come from overtrading and making dumb decisions? Because I know with me, if I look back on my losses, I'm like, you were an idiot there, you were an idiot there, you got emotional there. It wasn't me like executing the strategy and be like, it's just probabilities. No, it was me being a degen. I'm not saying that as a flex either. I'm just saying that as the truth. It's not like I have the perfect strategy, but a lot of the times I can't lie. A lot of the losses are just from stupidity. Bro, which broker do you use that offers good leverage? Fuck, I'm aligned with a broker, and they actually are really good. I've got some actual cash in there, and I should be pushing them. Ask me tomorrow. Ask me tomorrow. Oh, they're going to hate me if they see this. They'll be like, bro, it's going to fly soon, someone said. Full discipline, one trade where it opened the market. Wow. Okay. Amazing, Bog. Then that means it's just a matter of figuring out some small adjustments, or it's just probabilities. It's been a tough month, bro. The last month has been tough with price action. Slide. Let me put a bit of text here, what I'm looking for now, most likely. Yeah, I'm looking for some shit over here now. Wow, freaking dyslexic. I'm looking for some shit over here now, so let's have a look. I'm not even gonna lie. I might eat a raw can of tuna very soon because I'm freaking hungry. And I've got nothing else. I think from where we're at, how things are panned out now, this is probably going to be the best opportunity now. I think this is going to make the most sense, chronologically speaking. Yep, Bog, it's just probabilities. What are you going to do? You stuck to your plan. You did good, bro. That's it. The December conditions are bad. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, man. I keep saying I'm not gonna lie. What the? Yeah, it's been tricky. It's been interesting. It's been very interesting. Let's have a look at some of these time frames. 30-minute, body's getting smaller. 1 hour still open. 15 is looking pretty cool. Oh, okay, Bog. Bog, you should, and I'm not saying this, but to try and get you to watch my shit, but if you were to watch the video that I last posted on YouTube, it's a simulation session I did with the cats in a webinar, and all I took was onion trades. I think if you're having issues with the onion trade, there's a lot of like textbook onion trade setups there, but you'll never get a textbook. There's always nuances, right? And you have to make a decision. I would really suggest you have a look at that, bro. I think you'll get a lot out of it. I think you really will. I shut down when I'm hungry. Yeah, bro. That's why I'm like, I need to eat something as well. I already took a sell, but it seems like it's not going my way. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. So if we get a break below here, then I'll be interested to see how this next one. Man, I'm still holding this trade over here. I'm up nearly $2,000 on this trade over here. RJ Food Hub, you're still looking at that 1 minute setup there. Hey, you guys, I'm on YouTube as well. Full screen, way better, way cooler, way whatever. Can I know how you drew these lines? In TradingView, if you jump on the YouTube stream, you'll be able to see, but on the left-hand side, there's the option to draw lines and shit on TradingView. Wow, creaky chair syndrome. All right, got 2 minutes over here for this candle to close. Let's see if something can happen. Yeah, Bog. Honestly, brother, I think you'll get a lot out of it. Because it's pretty rare to find traders that, like, you know, use similar strategies to what we obviously do. And you can see how I approach onion setups. Might get something out of it there. You hold any crypto? I don't, bro. I don't. I day trade crypto a little bit. I day trade Bitcoin a little bit, but I don't actually hold. What time do you usually stream? I stream every day during the London Open. I start at London Open and I do a couple of hours there. So wherever you are in the world, whatever time London Open is for you, if you don't know, go to babypips.com. It has a time thing. Cool. I can see for me, London Open is 6 p.m. So figure it out. Like, this will automatically adjust to where you are in the world. And yeah, do that. Do that. It's pretty rare to find the best trader on the planet, and yet here we all are. In the universe. You stream on London Open. Yeah, exactly. So see here, you guys, the live we've detected inactivity during your live. Ah, look at this, you guys. TikTok, I'm going to bash you. So it says, your live will end in 4 minutes. We've detected inactivity during your live. Complete the verification to continue. Huh. And this is what used to get me, you guys, is I wouldn't notice this pop up, but now I've got a third screen. I can notice it. Gotcha. You're not ending my live, mofo. We're not inactive. We're popping off here. What are you talking about? 15 seconds. I'm interested in a buy for multiple reasons. I need the next candle to wick down though. TikTok does. Yeah, bro, it's done that to me many times. Like, the amount of times where I've just randomly streams has ended, I'm like, bro, what? The market session, it's called Baby Pips. Like, just the word baby and then Pips, P-I-P-S. Iggy Azalea fan. Why? What the fuck? Why is he Azalea? Because she's Australian, you mean? So this is, I'm potentially looking at an onion setup here. So a bounce off this support here. I know the overall trend is up. The 30-minute doesn't look good, but the 1 hour could be looked at as we broke out, created a bit of support, and now it could continue up into this next zone up here. 30-minute doesn't tell much, but I like what it looks like in the 15. I'm going to put a buy stop. I'm going to put a buy stop over here in a sec. I'm not going to put a buy stop. I'm just going to watch this over here for a sec and potentially take a buy position on the spot. I'm going to watch this for a sec and potentially take a buy position on the stop. I'd love for it to retest down here one more time. I want to see if it can retest that wick just to see if it wants to go down. How do you see CPR? I don't care, brother. I don't pay attention to the news. No, we're not doing that. Man, you guys can't see on TikTok, but I'm on live on YouTube right now as well. I'm in two grand floating profits right now in a different trade. It's insane. Yeah, okay. Thank you for saying that. That's the only thing I would say about Maven prop fund is their spread is pretty big. That's the only drawdown I would say. Other than that, they've been amazing. But thank you for bringing that to my attention because, yeah, that's true. Wow, thank you for the follows there on TikTok, you guys. Okay, I like what I'm seeing here now. I like that it's retested. I want it to push down a bit further. Yeah, the spread is nasty. You're right. I did kind of forget about that. What did you call the name of the trading app? Trading app? I'm trading with a funded company right now called Maven, M-A-V-E-N. Wouldn't that be a liquidity sweep? I don't know anything about that kind of stuff, bro. I just, yeah. All right, I took a buy here, you guys. Let me move my stop. It's not the prettiest, but it's not the worst. I'm going to move my stop loss down to about here. And I'm going to move my take profit up here somewhere, but I'll manage the trade. If it starts to break its own bottom wick, I'll start looking to take off 50%. If I know how to. I actually don't know how to with this prop firm. Oh, hang on, here we go. Oh yeah, close partial. Okay. Yeah. I'll be looking to take off 50% if it breaks its own bottom wick. The good thing is if it can push up and break past this support here to the left, it should get some decent momentum and I might be able to add to the position. Yeah, it's a 1 hour celery as well, exactly, Bog. So there's a couple of confluences over here, you guys. For me, how I trade. Oh, what up, Energy? Good to see you, brother. Oh, you missed the Sunday webinar. That's all right, bro. We'll try and get another one in for you. Hey, you guys, I'm in my TikTok over there in my bio. There's a Discord. Do a lot of free education over there. Just get together and try to get better as traders. Cool, got a nice little push over here. Let me have a look at, again, I might look to add to my position if we can get a closure above that zone there. But I'll have to see over here. I've still got my closed partials up and ready to go if it does start to break below its own bottom wick. I didn't even know you had a webinar this weekend. Yeah, every Sunday. What are you trading on? This is a 50K funded account, 50K challenge account with Maven. What you buying? I'm buying gold, my dude. But yeah, like I said, I've still got my take partials off. If it breaks its own bottom wick, I might just watch it and be prepared to take off 50%. Let me just measure some of this range. Oh wow, I'm being real. No, I'll watch it. I'm willing to let it breathe a little bit over here. I'm being a bit strict with where I put my stop loss over here, to be honest. I'm going to bring this down a little bit. I've got to let this one breathe a little bit. That's like freaking 12 pips, I think. It's not much at all. Because I don't know how to measure pips on that other thing. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. If it starts to break its own shit, I'll look at managing it over here. I'll look at managing like 50%. I'll let it breathe a little bit. What is the stop loss? If you jump onto YouTube, I'm live there. You'll be able to see the actual numbers. If you jump onto YouTube, you'll actually be able to see the numbers of like where the stop loss is and shit like that. All right, so now I just got to keep an eye on this. I got to keep an eye on this if it wants to push down too much more. But I'll let it breathe. I'll let it breathe a little bit. How much you put into the trade? No, not much. Risking like $250 on a 50k account. Oh, what up, Erin? Get it, Queen. Queen Latifah. What up, Jet? Jet City. Yeah, my spreads are out of control over here. Thank you for the follows there on TikTok as well. Gang shit. Drake is doing a tour. I don't care if Drake if Drake just one day on the news, you see Drake exploded and it's like no one knows how or why, I would be like, wow, that's interesting. Like it wouldn't bother me at all. Drake is exploded. 9 News. Drake's just exploded. You just went to YouTube. It's way better there. Yeah, bro. It's way better. Daniel Holmes trades live on YouTube. How are you, Aaron? Did you hit the hit church today? You from Oz? Yeah. Yep, Oz. Let me jump back over to TradingView real quick, see what's going on over here. Now, if it comes back down and breaks its own wick now, you guys, if it breaks its own bottom wick now, then I'll definitely take off 50% because it has no business for, I think, a third time breaking its own bottom wick. It really has no business breaking its own bottom wick for a third time. So I'll look at that. I'll look at managing that. Where in Oz? I'm in Brisbane, brother. Are you a Brizzy lad? I'm in Australian. That's mad. You should join the Discord. I love connecting with other Australians over here. So there's a Discord in my bio there. Oh, you're in Adelaide, mad. Nice. Nice. What platform? This is Maven. 50k account on Maven. With Maven funding. So let's have a look over here. Man, it'd be great if this broke above. I would love to add to this position. We've got 1 hour support here. If we can break, I think if this breaks its own top wick here, we should get a nice push. We should get a nice push. I'm in Africa. What? You know what? What are you actually? I'm an island boy. Oh, someone's selling over here. Let's see who wins. Is Maven the best place to start if you're new? No, if you're new, I'd just start by Googling what is trading. Like start at the very scratch. Really figure out what this game even is. And then figure out a strategy. And then from there, start trading demo. So it's just fake money. All right. Yeah, if we can break past these other candles, we should get a decent little push over here. And then I could even look at managing my position from there, taking off some size, things like that. Moving stops to break even and all that kind of stuff, you guys. Looks like we're about to break past here. Nice. What's that in terms of pips? Oh, I'm up a little. No, oh, actually, no, the spread's insane. The spread's insane. Here I am thinking I got in down here, but I'm like, bruh, you got spreaded, my dude. Yep, beginner starting on prop firms, I think is a good thing as well. Just make sure you are actually like not very, very scratch. You got to actually learn the game a bit first. What broker did you use? Ask me tomorrow, please. Ask me tomorrow. Ask me that same question tomorrow. Is this your first challenge on Maven? Yeah, the owner reached out to me, said, hey man, love what you're doing. Can you test out my prop firm? And I'll be honest with you guys, 100%. I really like them. The only thing is not favorable is they have a pretty big spread. I'm not going to lie, the spread's pretty big. But other than that, I'm really liking Maven so far. Like the company that I'm funded with, Top One Trader, I don't recommend at all. But Maven's been good. How long until this 15 closes? We've got 2.5 minutes over here. Nice. Let's see if we can break past. We can get a closure above. Are you buying now? I don't know, brother. I'm already in a buy. I'm in it over here. I'm in it. Full transparency over here, you guys. If you're on my YouTube right now, you'll be able to see all the floating profits and shit. You can't see it on TikTok. Daniel Holmes trades live on YouTube right now. Full transparency. No one's doing this shit in the game. No one's doing this shit in the game, you guys. What don't you like about Top One? Oh, man. One, they lower your leverage amount a lot once you get funded. Two, once you're funded, you have to have 3 days of 0.5 profitability before you can even withdraw. So not only do you have to put 10% on the account, once you put 10% on the account, then you have to fucking have 3 days of consistent profitability before you can even take some of your winnings. It's like the odds are stacked against you so much. And they don't tell you this kind of stuff. Like you can probably find it if you really like look through some documents in their website. Like you have to dig for it. It's not easy to find these small stipulations. How many pips are you thinking? I'm looking to take off 85% once we get to 15 pips in profit, move stops to break even, and maybe add to the position from there. So I'm looking to take off size in a minute here, you guys. I'm going to take off 80% right now. Boom. I just took off 85% there, you guys. I'm going to move stops to break even and let the rest run. Done. Done. Thank you. Anyone that took that trade, kiss me later. But let's see if we can add to the position. Well, we as in me. Let's see if I can add to the position. Applause. I took it. Amazing Marvis. Yep. Did anyone else take that trade? I don't know if anyone else did. Chuck a W in the chat if you did so I can actually see. Chuck a dub, you guys. Don't leave a brother hanging. Yes, he did. Okay, amazing. Dubs over here. Dub City. Nice. Okay. Amazing. Came over here from TikTok. Is this funding pips? No. Oh, nice. Quite a lot of you guys took this one as well. Okay. Nice. W City over here. A lot of you guys took that one. Dope. So a red flag here, you guys. Like, if you're not, like, you can see that I moved stops to break even now. The fact that it closed with no top wick there is a fucking, like, it's not the best if you're looking to hold. So my stops are at break even. I'll hold partials. Match trade or a C trade. Something's blocking your time frame. Yeah, because you're on TikTok. If you're on my YouTube stream, you'd be able to see it all. Daniel Holmes trades live on YouTube. Bro, my other trade that I'm in is floating profits of 2,250. I might pass this challenge today, to be honest. I might pass this challenge today live. Are you match trader or C trader? Neither. I'm using a prop firm called Maven. This is their Maven platform. I should Dubs over here on YouTube as well. Dope, you guys. I'm at work. I'd take that trade too. Ah, bummer. All good. Oscar, nice trade, Dan. What's your entry again? In terms of like moving forward over here, I would like, let's have a look. So that one just closed outside of the range. Here's the thing. Let me draw something here. I would need this candle to wick up and close red. Like, I need some range to be created here. What's range? Probably a wick. I'd need a wick. I'd need a wick and then to close. To be honest, it's not the ideal scenario for me to add to the position. Let's just wait to see how this next candle prints. Oh, sorry, you guys. I'm gonna my camera just turned off. I'll have to charge it real quick. It'll turn on in a couple minutes. Yeah, wow. Sorry, one sec. Damn, that's annoying. All right, yeah, bear with me, you guys. I'll turn that camera on very shortly. I'll turn that camera on very shortly. All right, let's have a look. Okay, so I'm still holding this trade over here. It's still moving up. Nice. Where can I take a position? Well, if you came here earlier, you would have been an OG and taken one with me like I did already. You would have been. Hey, you guys on YouTube, if you're not subscribed, please drop a subscribe. It would mean the world. It's fucking so hard to grow on YouTube, and yeah, it'd be amazing to see some of you cats on the regular. So yeah, drop a subscribe. I'll be live every day. Where is take profit? Let me actually, I just moved it up here, but let's actually, oh yeah, my take profit. So see these ranges here? Sorry, here. I'm gonna move my take profit to there, to that closest one. So let me zoom out here. Oh, look at that push. Bring it down a little bit, somewhere about there. But yeah, my whole bias today when I came onto the charts was bullish. Everything was telling me it was very bullish today. And I was able to execute on that quite nicely. Quite nicely over here. So take profit's about to get hit potentially. And I'm about to turn my camera on as well. I think liquidity grab. Bro, I think you should just think the market's moving. It's not always a conspiracy. Oh, look at this. Nice. All right. Target's hit. Boom. Bro, that was a beautiful trade over there, you guys. If some of you guys caught that as well, that was A plus shit. Hang on, I just got to go to this to turn the... I have to do this to... What the fuck? Yeah, that was some textbook shit right there, you guys. That was some textbook shit right there. Okay, I'm back in business now, I think. Yep. Look at this, guys. This is my view over here. Oh, is it glitching? Yeah, nice. It's glitching. Sorry, give me a sec here. Wow. Sorry, guys. My camera, I'm about to turn it back on now. I'm about to do it now. I'm just getting carried away. I'm just trying to show you my view. Look, this is me just chilling. See? Alright, anyway, let's put this on. Dope. Yeah, you missed it, bro. This was a phenomenal trade. This was really some textbook stuff over here. This was some really textbook stuff over here, you guys. And if you missed it, then the probabilities just went in your favor to catch it. You thought, you know what? Stuff that Aussie guy on stream sometimes. What would he know? And you could have just become a millionaire, but that's all good. We'll become millionaires on your behalf. But let's hang out here. I'm still feeling pretty fresh, you guys. I don't know if you guys are as well. You live in a penthouse? No, not at all. If you guys are keen to hang out for a bit more, we could look at one more trade over here, potentially. What do you reckon? Are you guys still up for it? Because I need energy in the chat as well. So if you guys aren't feeling it, then I'll fucking cruise as well. Yes, please. Yep. You still feeling it? Okay. Yes. All right. Yep. Too late to buy? I don't know. Sure. Okay. Let's go. All right. Please give me some energy, guys. Yeah, give me energy, you guys, because honestly, I'm going to need it as well, and I might eat a can of tuna real shortly as well. Let's go, Chap City. All right, dope. All right, hey, you guys, let's do a real quick top down again, let's get our shit together over here. So as you guys can see, check this out. This is the daily. Let's just reassess real quick over here. The daily is now pushing up. We know it's a high wick area, right? We can see a lot of these daily candles came to where we are today, but for whatever reason, they rejected and shot back down. So we're there again. Statistically, you got to ask yourself, what's the probability of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 daily candles come into this range and rejecting? Could this be the one? I don't know. Let's look at the 4 hour. 4 hours got 30 minutes before it closes. We're really moving our way up over here. The 1 hour. I'm going to move this to here. You guys. This is the new range. But I could also be interested. I'm very interested at potentially taking a bounce off this. Because if I'm looking at this and saying this is potentially an uptrend, I could look at taking a bounce off this here, taking profits there, and then it can continue up. It can do whatever it wants to do from there. But let's see what type of price action prints around these areas. Drop back to the 30. Cool. 15. Let me adjust my zone a little bit more. About there. Yep, I like that. Because I know to the left-hand side, there's clean range as well. But I'm also interested in taking a bounce off this and catching it on the way down. Yeah, this is a very key zone. Where this line is a very key zone. Anyone that's trades gold would be able to see, would know we've been consolidating, right? We've been stuck in this shitty range for, I think it's been a week or two, right? Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Fucking hell, look at this other trade that I'm in. Floating profits are 2,300 over here. Let's have a look at it. Let's have a look at it. Oh my God, your boys. Look at that, you guys. Your boy caught it right there. And if you want to know how I caught it, $999. Nah, I'm only joking. Wow. So yeah, I'm going to hold this one for a little bit. I might even hold it overnight. I don't know if I can hold trades overnight with this prop firm, actually. We'll see. Yeah, it's insane. Oh, Sergi, you also caught that one. Nice, okay. Yeah, very juicy, that one. Let's do a real... Does anyone want any analysis on any of these other pairs? Let's see what we're looking at. Wait, what? Oh, AUD, USD. Yeah, wow. It's one of the biggest pushes it's had in a long time. All right, so let's have a look over here. Let's see, 2.5 minutes for this candle to close. It's a 30-minute closure and a 15-minute closure. I missed that gold one. Is there a sell coming soon? Potentially. Let's see how it reacts to this area of interest. I could be interested in a sell or a buy. Bitcoin. Let's have a real quick look at Bitcoin then. I think Bitcoin's ready to drop a little bit, bro, to be honest. I think Bitcoin's ready to drop a bit and fill some of this range. Fill some of this range here. I would not be surprised if Bitcoin's ready to drop a fair bit. Look how it's starting to kind of flip. Like the vibe is starting to droop, right? And although it's like, oh, bro, you're clutching at straws there. It's like, ah, man, I wouldn't be surprised. I've seen this a lot where you kind of just see the momentum starting to shift in the other direction. We'll see. Thank you for the follow there on TikTok. Wow, nearly 300 follows on this stream alone on TikTok. Gang. I thought you only traded gold. Are you cheating with other pairs? So with some of these funded accounts, I'll be honest, I trade some of them a bit different. And it's not advisable. I have the most success when I just trade gold. So that's why I wouldn't like push like, oh, try do this with this other pair. No, I get the most success when I do my strategy with gold. Which pair is the other pair you took? See? I'll show you, but I don't advise it. It's AUD USD. You can see it here. I got in down here. If you're on YouTube, like some of the people on YouTube can see the whole screen. You can see my floating profits and like the entry price and all that kind of shit. You guys on TikTok, Daniel Holmes Trades on YouTube. You can see it all there, but floating profits of 2,300 on this one trade. Wild. Wild. You're just a chill guy. Bro, just a chill guy over here. Doing a very unchill thing with trading. That's a lot of green. Yeah, it's obviously going to have a pullback and I'm going to be in drawdown to some degree and it could take me out. My stop's already at break even and I've mentally accepted that if this comes back down and takes me out, whatever. Like I'm planning to just hold this as a swing and that's all good. I'll tell you why I took this as well, you guys. I'll tell you why I took this. And this... Check this out, you guys. And I'm not being a conspiracy theorist, but I looked at this and I said, okay, let's look at the 30-minute time frame. We haven't seen a push this green on the 30-minute time frame since maybe here, which was back in November. And then apart from that, you haven't seen a push like that fucking in a long time, right? And I said, what? Could there be an opportunity for this to push up now? And what would it be? So I went to the weekly. I looked at the weekly and said, wow, the strength of the Australian dollar is like really low right now. This is like all time. And we're right down the bottom there right now. We're right down there. So I had to ask myself, like, you know, what's the probability of this breaking all-time lows in terms of... And there's sort of a bit of a uptrend here on the weekly, right? We kind of tapped into it. The daily as well. I was like, I just felt like we were really way too weak, and it touched... Look how perfectly it touched this trend. The trend was really clean. Right, and this was a strategy I used to implement a lot. I don't anymore because it's very hit and miss. I have a lot more success doing what I do on gold every day, but I don't know. There was a few things in the higher time frames. Yeah, it was a nice bet. So we caught, anyone that's relatively new here, we caught a nice little buy up here. We caught this buy. Let's see what happens if around here now. A chill guy who cheats on gold. Yeah, I cheat on gold sometimes. Not really, but sometimes. Sins when you're a profitable trader. What? Okay, that was a 30-minute closure just there. Strong 30-minute closure. We're right at these zones here, right at these support zones here, but we know the main one, the major one is up here. This is where all the dailies have been rejecting. This is where all the 4 hours have been rejecting. Very interesting zone we're approaching here, you guys. A lot of traders right now are watching this zone. A lot of people are prepared to attack here. And let's just see what type of response it has up here. Let's see what type of reaction it has over here. What should I do now? Buy or sell? I think you should find God. You should start reading the Bible and looking into some of the bigger questions in life. And yeah. If I had to say. How about 100k likes today? Bro, I don't know if we're reaching up there. We got 150k likes last time. Today's been slow, but I'm not mad at it because I've got more follows on this stream than ever before, which is crazy. Nearly 300 follows on one bloody stream. Alright, we're pushing up over here. I'll tell you the other thing with Maven that's a bit tricky. So the spreads are pretty rough, but the other thing that's a bit rough is the profit target is on a 50k account is 8%. I don't know if that's normal, so it's $4,000 on a 50k account. I don't know if that's normal. Oh, Ins, what up, what up? The YouTube is gaining hella views. Yeah, bro, everything's gaining views. It's crazy, hey? It's crazy. You would have missed it, but we caught a nice buy here on stream. Caught a nice buy here, and just waiting for an opportunity over here. They can take our money, but they'll never take our gold. Yeah, that's true. So here's the thing, guys. If I was looking for some sort of signal that it might be ready to flip, you know, I might be something like this. So we're getting, the candle bodies are getting smaller. This one looks, this next candle maybe prints something like this, right? And then I could, in theory, look at taking a buy at the next one, flipping, wow, flipping like this. I could maybe look at taking a buy in theory there. My only reservation with that is I know there's a major resistance level right there. And I have to ask myself, what's the probability that it won't tap into that before it rejects off? Because I know with gold, a lot of the times it wants to give these major zones. It'll give it a stab, right? It'll give it a shot. It'll have a little feel, like see, test the waters. And if it pulled up just before that, I'd be a bit suspicious. That's the only thing. I'd be a bit suspicious. Waiting to take a trade with you as I missed the previous one. Oh, okay. Yep, let's see. Again, I don't advise that, but if you want to do that, you want to do that. I probably wouldn't advise it. Oh, wow. 25k views, likes here on TikTok. They just got spammed. They just got spammed then. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Hit the likes aggressively. Fuck. So what do we got? 8 minutes over here. Oh, here's the other thing. The 4-hour closes in 23 minutes. Fuck me. Look at that 4-hour candle. Pretty strong. Not bad. No bottom wick, which typically just means momentum. Like a lot of pressure, a lot of volume. Beautiful 1 hour celery, like a bit of support was created, pushed up. That's what we call it. That was a bit of a confluence. Yeah, that was a really nice buy there. That was textbook. Let's analyze GBP, JPY. Yeah, right, let's have a real quick look. Got a bit of time here. I'm sure it's here, yeah. Oh, wow, GBP, JPY is pushing up. Oh, but look where it's at. It's at a very interesting point here. So if you looked at GBP, JPY and thought, man, if I in my head thought, I'm looking to take a buy at the break of this level here, I wouldn't trust that level because I know to the left, there's an even bigger, more major level here. In this case, I would trust this level, to be brutally honest, personally. So I wouldn't be doing anything until this level here got broken above. And in an ideal world, you'd want a bit of red printed to get a bit of support up here. And then the next one to break out, right? And then catch a buy after that. But personally, I wouldn't be looking at doing anything until that level up there got tapped into, which is this key level over here, personally. Personally. Yeah, so I'll hang out here for a little bit. Let's just see how these next candle prints or whatever. Newbie, why gold over anything else? No preference. This is personal preference, brother. It has a lot of volume, right? You want personally, if you're a scalper or somebody that takes trades quite quickly, you want it to be a like a pair that moves quite aggressively. And gold has a lot of volume, so it moves quite aggressively. And yeah. Oh wow, 31k likes here on TikTok. Nice, thanks guys. People felt sorry for me because I only had like 15 before. Damn man, can you look at new NQ? Okay, Oscar, I'll have a look at NQ. What's the symbol? Is it just NQ? Let's do a real quick analysis over here. Daily, wow, is this NQ, is it? NQ pushing up like NQ, man. Every time I look at NQ, I'm like, fuck, I need to start trading NQ. It looks so clean on the daily. It looks really nice. The 4 hour, oh, 4 hour looks a bit messy, a bit wicky. 1 hour, 30 minute. Yeah, so with NQ personally, what I would be doing, I wouldn't be doing anything until below there. Because if you were to say, oh, look, I'll take, what's the range? Let's do a measurement here. Actually, like you can see, you got clean range here. So maybe a break below here, I'd be looking at maybe a sell. Right, but it's because it's so red up here, you'd want a bit of support to be formed. Like just say something came down here, create a bit of support. The next one broke below. Next one, wicked up. I'd be looking at taking a sell here, taking profits there. Take a sell about there. Right. Alternatively, if you got some sort of bounce off here, take a buy back up. I won't get into what I'd be looking for that, but yeah. John, what up, brother? Haven't seen you in a minute. Have you been banned yet? Yeah, I have. I had a 3-day ban. People get banned for showing charts. I don't know what it is. It's I think it's the things you say as well. I can't say the G word, the thing that you would do at a casino. I can, but I think that's a red flag. Yeah, only at the New York sesh, exactly. Graffiti, yeah. Gold, yes, it's gold. So John, yeah, we took a nice little buy over here earlier. Looking for a potential opportunity to take a sell maybe, or a buy above here. Bro, I entered sells way too early. Oh. You entered sells way too early over there. You got a bit excited, my dude. When can sell gold? Well, there's a couple things you have to take into consideration. Well, I would be taking into consideration. One is the 4 hours closing in a minute. Not in a minute, but very soon. And you'd want to be looking for some sort of sign that it's slowing down, that it is an opportunity to take sells. Right now, it's all green. There's no opportunity. There's nothing telling me that it's ready for sells yet, other than the candle bodies may be getting smaller. Other than that, there's not a whole bunch of shit that's telling me there's an opportunity just yet. Oh, wow, John. Okay. Rough. Bro, I need to get funded $100. Funded or earn $100? That's the question, right? Do you need to get funded or do you need to earn $100? It's two very different things. I'm going to tap the screen, guys. Join the tapping team. Yeah, join the tap. Bro, I was only at 15 a while ago. You guys are spamming it. Thank you. Appreciate it. What lot size do you do? Depends. Depends, brother. Depends over here. Yeah, it depends. So I was saying before that I might be interested in sells, but I'm a bit sus that it hasn't tapped into this major area here. Like if this next candle were to flip red like this, I could be interested. The only other reservation I might have is the fact that this candle that would open up after that is the first 15 minutes of the 4 hour, which is a bit like, ugh. But yeah, I'd be wanting to take a sell there if something like that printed, where it looked like momentum was starting to lose, the candle bodies were getting smaller. I know on the higher time frames, this area is a rejection zone. You know, I think the numbers get you banned. What do you mean, the numbers? Oh, as in seeing numbers on the screen? Yeah. Nah, but that's not true because there's so many traders that stream and they like these scammy ones that just have their numbers on the screen. It's just numbers and like, join my Telegram, you know? What's your bias? It was buys earlier and that's why we called a buy position, but I'd have to wait a little bit longer. I see, John. Yeah, you wouldn't want it to cut out mid-trade. Hey, you guys on TikTok, I'm on YouTube right now. Daniel Holmes Trades. You can see the whole screen. If you're on this screen, you'd be able to see that I'm in $2,000 floating profits right now on a trade. But you can't because you're on TikTok and it's a little screen. All right? Little screen for little profits. YouTube is where it's at. Subscribed already. Oh, amazing. Thank you, Fairy. Thank you. Appreciate that. Trying to catch the top there. Yeah, Wayne. Yeah, a bit sus over there. Telegram. Okay, so this is the last 15 minutes before the 4 hour open closes. The candle bodies are getting smaller. I know this is a high rejection zone. I might be interested. It doesn't tick one of my boxes, but it ticks a lot of the other ones. I might be interested if this candle can close red. If this candle can close red, I might be interested in a sell. I have subscribed too. Ah, amazing, Hash. Thank you. Appreciate that. You are the real one. You guys on YouTube, if you're not subscribed, please drop a subscribe, man. I'd appreciate it fucking actually a lot. I honestly would. Because it's freaking hard to grow over there. It's hard to grow over there. I used to stream to nobody. Now there's like, you know, a lot of people. It's sick. Hey, you guys on TikTok. If you check the chat right now and you were to type that into YouTube, you'll be able to see there I'm on YouTube live, full screen. You can see all the good shit. Yeah, you'll be looking at some sort of onion as well there, Bog, if it does that. $30-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily. Yeah, very interesting. My bias might be still buys, you guys, to be honest. My bias might still be buys. We are seeing signs of weakening on the 15, but yeah, let's just see. It could be another, like we could be seeing signs of weakening, but it could just be another little pullback for a continuation up, like kind of tap into this zone right here for a continuation up. And if I can maybe just catch that pullback, that could be cool. There's a few options here, but my bias might be still a bit bullish, to be honest. Yeah, exactly, Bog. Yep. You're speaking my language. How many pips profit would you look at taking? I typically on gold, if I'm just doing a scalp, I'll take 15 pips profit, move stops to break even, and let the rest run. That's what we did earlier. Like we caught a trade here earlier. I took profits at 15 pips, let the rest run. It came up here and hit my full take profit. Really clean trade. But yeah, it all depends on the circumstance, obviously. Someone said sell, guys, while the market is aggressively moving up. The only thing I'm selling is my love to you. Where's your higher time take profit if you take this long? It wouldn't be a high time take profit. It would be here to the left where this next zone is. So it'd be like, you know, somewhere around here. That's massive. Like that range is still big. I'd be taking profits before then. That's why I have that's 35 pips away. I think if we break above there, we'll get a strong push. I might hold it for a bit longer, to be honest, but we'll see. We shall see. How many pips to the PB? PB, I know these abbreviations. PB. Point, previous, PB, position. No, you've lost me. 40k likes, boom. Juice. No risk, no money. Exactly. Daniel Holmes, what do you think of a small account instead of a DOM? Because I'm very bad with DOM, DOM, demo account. Yeah, I do think that's okay. If you've been in the game a while, you understand price action, whatever, you've got a bit of an idea of your strategy, buy a cheap funded account, like the cheapest one. I think that's a good idea. Do you shell here? Shell? Do I shell? No, I don't do anything just yet. All of you people saying sell. Anyway, I'm not getting into this. Wow. So a lot of the sellers just got punched there. Yeah, I told you, man, my bias is bullish, you guys. Look at the daily. We're really at that daily zone. If we can get a break up here of the 4 hour, yeah, I'm very bullish, you guys. If we can get a break here of the 4 hour, we can finally start to get out of this shit we've been stuck in for a couple weeks. I think it's a good idea to hang out here on stream after that trade because we might be onto something over here. Alternatively, if this rejects down really hard, now we'll see. I think it's going to be bars. Oh, what up, Habib? Good to have you here, brother. Oh, pullback. PB means pullback. Of course. Yeah, wow. Okay, well, I forgot the original question, but yeah. Anyway, there you have it. Thank you. Needs a PB and a J. Yeah, let's see. I'm still bullish. Like, I don't believe, I don't trust this. I think it's ready to start moving. Don't listen to me. I don't like to make predictions, but I'm bullish. I'm bullish. I know a lot of people are thinking this is a fake out. It's going to push down. I don't know. I've seen gold do shit like this a lot. Let's just see. Obviously, anything's possible. We can do whatever, but yeah, let's just see over here. Thank you for the follow there on TikTok. A pullback would be nice to enter. Yeah, I'm a bit sus now. I think that test just then, I don't know, you guys. I think it's ready to. I think it's fucking ready to go. I think it's ready to go, but don't listen to me. Even if I do think that, we're gonna need to see shit first anyway. And I do believe it needs to print some sort of red somewhere. If it's not here, somewhere. But let's just see. Let's just see. JR, what up? It's good to have you here, brother. I am French. I am Australian. Best to go with your gut. No, I don't know. I don't like to listen to my gut on the charts. You know what it's best to do? It's best to go with the bloody trend. And the trend right now, session trend, it's moving up, you guys. If right now your mind is, it's moving up, it's been so green, it's gonna come back. It needs to pull back. It doesn't need to do shit. It can just keep going for eternity. It doesn't matter. Like, don't try to catch the top, you guys. Please, please, please. Don't think this is a top, I'm gonna take a sell. Sammy, what up? Good to have you here. Just won 200 patiently. Amazing. Waiting for 3 hours. Good stuff. The patient get rewarded. What up, Kenny? I'm doing amazing. I hope you're doing good, brother. So let's have a look over here, guys. 6 minutes before the 1 hour, 4 hour, 30 minute, and 15 close. I wonder if this 4 hour can break above this range. We seen early on, we had a 4 hour very similar break above. What happened to the next one? It completely rejected down. We've tested it multiple times over the past weeks. It's rejected down each time. Could this be the one? Could this be the one? I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. We'll have to wait and see, you guys. And if it's not, let's try and get a signal that it's ready to push down. Oh no, my TikTok just got banned. Frauds and scams. Ah, they're gonna frickin' submit an appeal. They're gonna ban me for 3 days again there on TikTok. Well, there you go. There goes TikTok. Ah, TikTok is so fucking lame, bro. TikTok is so fucking lame. They just banned me again. I submitted an appeal. I submitted an appeal over there. For the guys taking cells. Oh, hi, I'm you. Yep, TikTok ban. So fucked, bro. I fucking hate TikTok, man. I submitted an appeal, but yeah, they banned me. No, because it's going to take more than just reporting me for it to ban. I don't know what it is. I ran straight to YouTube once you have. Yeah, I got banned, brother. I submitted an appeal, so we'll see if it's like a 3-day ban or whatever, but it's so annoying because I don't know why. I don't know what I need to not do. Yeah, it's a ban, brother, on TikTok. Or they just closed it down. They said it's because of frauds and scams. That's what it said last time as well. So, yeah, it's bloody annoying, man. One of the most transparent, legitimate traders I've seen. Yeah, bro, I just try and keep it fucking 100% on there. I think that they use the term scam and fraud as just like an overarching statement. For, yeah, I really wish I could figure out what I need to not do. But I know it's an algorithm as well. Very annoying. Very annoying. So hopefully the last time I submitted an appeal, they denied it and I got a 3-day ban. So we'll have to see. I wonder what I'm going to have to stop doing. All right, 3 minutes over here. Let's see how this candle, what this candle wants to do. Boo. If it were to break above, there's been a lot of green. You'd really want a bit of red printed up there, and I could take a buy after that. Yeah, due to all the scammy Ming coin guys and shit, for sure. That would definitely play a part, I believe, as well. Yeah. It's probably because you were mentioning money. Yes. Was I mentioning money? Was I mentioning money? Like I would have been. I would have said numbers. I know I've definitely said, oh, I'm in this much floating profit and things like that. Yeah, I wonder if it's that. Reading out comments. Yeah, but you can't ban the creator for comments. I think they definitely listen to my voice because I've said something about drugs once and it said, no, because you mentioned that. Like they actually listen to the words you say. Sneaky little devils. Chinese immigrations. Oh, it's because of the Chinese imitations and it's owned by China. Fuck, they're like, nah, cut him off. TikTok Live just ended. You need a right, not financial advice. I don't know if it's that. I think it's more than that. Better off without TikTok. I don't know. Because I have it's not financial advice in that in the description. I'm gonna have to put it in the thing as well for sure. But I think if I'm mentioning money and showing like floating profits and stuff like that or talking about money, it's gonna get me in trouble. So I have to yeah, it's hella annoying though. Hella annoying. So look at this. We're getting some sort of rejection. Got a minute left here. A minute left for all these big candle closures. Yeah, I submitted an appeal. Last time I submitted an appeal, they denied it and I got a 3-day ban. We'll see what happens. Let's see if I can actually get on my TikTok. Fuck. And if they shut my shit down, then I'll be pissed. I'm coming for you, TikTok. Oh, account ban warning, it says here. Account ban warning, it says here. First warning, account strike. Account ban warning. Oh, so one more strike and I'm banned. 75 people here. Yeah, wow, okay. Yeah, fuck you, TikTok. Bro, you can't ban me. I'm fucking out here. I'm going to have to, you may have already appealed. I'm going to have to look into this after. Fuck it. YouTube doesn't. See, YouTube lets you chill out. Yeah, I'm really going to have to figure it out. Ooh, it nearly broke out there. Let's have a look. It's kind of right on that level. It's right on that level. That's not a very strong breakout. It's an attempt. Yeah, TikTok's hating on this trading skills over there. It's like, bro, we're not one of these crazy meme coin kids. Like, we're really out here doing the goddamn thing. All right, what's happening over here? 4 hour gave it a strong. It broke above all this shit throughout the last week. 1 hour strong. It's looking good. I'm interested in a buy, you guys. TikTok itself will be banned in January, do you reckon? In Australia, or is that... If this candle can, I don't know if it's gonna, but if this can flip red, I'll take an impulse buy after that, right? Let's be patient here. Let's wait for this first candle to close. Let's wait for this first candle to close. Just create another account on TikTok. Yeah, I know. I guess that's the whole idea, but it would kind of suck to have to do that. But I think, yeah, it's just it's going to be a never-ending game of doing that, right? Yeah, I guess it's going to be a never-ending game of doing that. Hey, you guys, if you're here on YouTube, drop a subscribe as well, because I'll be live trading here. So if I get banned on TikTok, I'll be on YouTube anyway. YouTube's more chill. It doesn't ban you. And there's also a Discord there pinned in the chat if you're keen to join the Discord gang. Oh, it's getting banned in the US. Is that actually confirmed? Like, is that for real? Or is that just like they're trying to ban it? Nice. What time do you come on every day? Would love to trade with you. Yeah, I'm here during the London Open time every day. So for me, that's 6 p.m. If you don't know what it is for you, just go on to babypips.com. They have a timer thing here, right? And just figure out what it is for you. So for me, London Open is 6 p.m. That's when I jump on stream, all right? Every day. It's every day, bro. Newbie here. Oh, yeah. Okay, just... Only if they don't sell to the US company. Ah, okay. Yeah, I remember all that. I didn't know if it was legit. I need to really connect with somebody that's that works with TikTok or something, or that knows the ins and outs. So yeah, this would be great, and I'll tell you, this could be really nice if it flips red. We're really at this key zone. Bro, what happened to TikTok? They banned me, brother. They banned me. So I submitted an appeal, but they closed it down and banned me, and I just, yeah, it really sucks. If that happens one more time, my TikTok will get shut down. I'll have to create a new one. But yeah, the freaking bastards. Let's have a look. Yeah, wow. Okay, I don't know if you can see that, but on the top of my account, it says in red, account ban warning. It's like we're just out here trying to change the world one trade at a time, and you're banning us. Oh wow, look at this volume. Anyway, we'll figure it out. How do you make those green and red candles in TradingView? I'll answer that because I used to wonder, because I've seen another streamer do it. It's actually, I've got a Zoom open as well. And in Zoom, it has a tool where you can kind of draw. All right. Zoom has a tool where you can draw shit. So it's actually Zoom, not TradingView. Bro, do you know how long I spent trying to figure out how to do that? And then I realized it's a Zoom tool. Yeah, I have a feeling, and look at this previous 15, it had no bottom wick, means the volume just pushed up. I have a feeling this is just going to leave you guys. And if it does, I'm going to have to call it a day. Already got one clean trade during the London session. No need to get greedy. I'm in some pretty heavy floating profits on this other trade. So I've done well today personally. But let's see. Let's see. Are you streaming through Zoom too? No, I just open up Zoom to really just to use a drawing tool. I stream through Zoom. Like if you're not in the Discord on every Sunday, we'll get everyone together and we'll do a webinar together on Zoom. But yeah, when I have it open now, it's just, yeah, for the drawing. It's got 8 minutes. This is the first 15 of the new 4-hour. The previous 4-hour had no bottom wick. Price just pushed up. I wonder if it's, I wonder what's going to happen over here. Let's see. What time do you come on every day? I told you this before. Look, it's London Open, 6 p.m. my time. Sorry if you said that. Oh, okay. So look, just type into Google baby pips. Ready? Baby pips, the word baby pips. And then up here, it has like a time frame thing. Tools, go to tools. And then Forex market hours. Click on that. And you'll see here. Oh, why did I hear myself? Check. That's freaky. Huh. You'll see here, London Open is green, the blue. That's when I jump on. Bro, what the fuck? Why do I all of a sudden hear myself? What could that be? I don't know. Wait, you guys on YouTube, can someone confirm, am I echoing? Are we buying? We are waiting, my friend. We are waiting to see how this candle closes. No. Okay. No, man, all good. Okay, that's weird. Like I can just all of a sudden like clicked, like as if I'm streaming at two places. It's like TikTok of someone's hacked my stream, bro. Wow, this trade is going wild over here. No echo. Okay, dope. Man, it's good to have you guys here on YouTube. This is the most YouTube viewers I've ever had. Crazy. Why don't you go on live on Discord? Oh, you can go live on Discord? I didn't even know that. Nah, I'll do it. Oh, maybe at some point. But for now, it's all good. Everyone can just jump on the YouTube and shit like that. Yeah, I'm not going to lie, guys. I have a feeling she wants to just leave. 5 minutes for this closure. Yeah, TikTok banned me, brother. They banned me. I'm going to submit an appeal, but yeah, unfortunately, I've got to figure it out with TikTok. They're just so bad for streaming, bro. It's the second time they banned me for nothing. I've really got to figure out why they keep doing it. But yeah, be live here every day. So regardless, YouTube's way more chill. Like they don't fucking do that. Check. Ah, I know what it is. Check. No, I don't. So 4 minutes. Let's see what I can do. Bro, this trade could fucking get me to pass this challenge by itself. Wild. Look at the 5 minute. It wouldn't make sense for me to look at the 5 minute. That's all. I actually won't look at it because, well, I have to take that out. I'm echoing so bad. I wouldn't look at the 5 minute because it actually confuses me a little bit unnecessarily. And I don't use it at all. So yeah, it's just not necessary. But I like what I'm seeing here. I'd love this to be able to create a bit of a wick and see what can happen here. Very bullish day for gold. How much have we moved up? 200 pips, nothing. That's nothing for gold. Like, man, think about some days where gold just moves so crazy, right? Yeah, I think with TikTok, I'm really going to have to put something that says this is not financial advice and all that kind of shit. I can't talk about money. I can't use the word money, I don't think. Not the word, but yeah, be careful how I talk about money. They are so strict. It's freaking crazy. So we're approaching the closure of the first 15. Not giving us much just yet. Should we sell now? If you can tell me why you'd like to sell now, then I'll say yes. A minute left. Getting some weakening over here. Let me some signs of weakening at least. You have to put for entertainment purposes only and use toy money. You know, I have that in the description, but maybe I need to like plaster it on the fucking actual, you know, view as well. Yeah, wow, this candle didn't give us much at all. There's not a whole bunch I can tell from that. If the next candle flips like this though, yep, the only thing I'm looking for here now, you guys, and if I don't get this, I'm going to call it a day personally, because it's already been a good day for me. If the next candle can break back into the range like this, next one wick up, and flip and push, I'll take a sell right there. Right? Alternatively, you know, if some sort of red candle was printed up here, I'd be looking at like a break above that and taking buys. But I'm not going to hang out that long. I think I've had a good day. I don't want to give my profits back. So let's see if this can close red or if it just wants to take off. Very interesting. None of these candles are creating bottom wicks. Like, there's a lot of buying volume, you guys. They're just opening up and not even giving it a chance to create a bottom wick. Oh, wow. Could you please show me what your initial buy position was and what you... Yeah, so this is like a pretty textbook trade that I take on an uptrend. If we know that an uptrend moves like this, has its pullbacks, keeps going like that. I anticipated that pullback, right? Started the pullback here, created a doji, showed me weakening in that downward volume. This candle broke above. I said, if this candle here can open up and wick down, which it did, I'll look at taking a buy on the flip, anticipating this as the pullback on that continuation up. Did that, took 85% there, let full TP hit up there. It's a pretty textbook. If you look on my YouTube, my latest video that I posted, I did the simulation session in the webinar with the guys, and I ran through this exact trade multiple times in real simulation market session. It's crazy how different the 5 minute looks. Yeah, the 5 minute will tell you all sorts of shit that, for me personally, it just can confuse me. That's why I don't look at it too much, or at all. Because the 5 minute can tell me some insanely perfect bias for a certain direction, and then the 15 will tell the opposite almost. It's like, I know that they it's not the most strongest combination. All right, you guys, I'm going to call it a day here. Yeah, I'm going to call it a day here, you guys. Thank you heaps for being here. Yeah, I'm going to call it a day. I've had a good day. There's probably opportunity coming up. There's probably some decent opportunity coming up. So if you're still feeling fresh and keen to hang out, there might be some decent opportunities. But personally, I've had a good day. I'm not going to risk giving back my profits, and I'm getting a bit fatigued here mentally. But yeah, love you guys, and I'll be back tomorrow, London Open. Hope to see you on the stream again. All right. Peace out.